where we will be
असर ठेव.
People were so cool back then.
Really?
I think that is the worst makeup invention I've ever heard of.
Hey everyone, welcome back to SS Beauty. I am Shraddha.
My name is Simran,
I am Divya and today we are doing a very fun and exciting makeup challenge.
where we will be reading makeup facts while doing our makeup.
So today I'll be recreating this makeup look.
I will be recreating this look.
I'll be recreating this makeup look, so let's get started.
So the first makeup fact is about foundation.
In 1920s, makeup companies began creating foundation shades named after their zodiac signs, believing that people's astrological signs determine their ideal foundation color. What gold math is that?
Oh my god, your foundation based on zodiac signs. I'm a Leo, a fire sign. And where does that leave me with a red and an orange foundation with a hint of yellow? No way. I'm definitely sticking to my Maybelline because I've been using this like since 8 years and I definitely love this. I mean, look at it. My Fit Me foundation is like so much better.
I'm so glad I have this perfect foundation match from K-Beauty.
Irrespective of the zodiac signs, I have my favorite foundation here, which is MAC in the shade NC42. It's so skin-like and I love the finish.
Now moving on to the next fact, that is concealer. The first concealer called Erase came out in 1954 and was like thick paint. What?
Thick paint? Really?
Thick paint?
No wonder it's called Erase. I mean, it would literally erase everything on your face because it's like a thick paint. And I'm just going to stick to my lighter Arcelia concealer. So anyways, what you can do is put your concealer in your inner corner and your outer corner, like you can see, to give you that really uplifted look. You can blend it a little upwards in this direction if you want to get that snatched look.
So I've concealed my under eyes and pigmented areas.
Such a big no. My face is already very oily and I can't even think about applying thick paint on my face.
Ancient Roman women used crushed beetles to make their eyeshadow red. Crushed beetles? No way.
I think that is the worst makeup invention I've ever heard of.
I feel blessed to have my MAC eyeshadow palette. I'm using the shade Sonic Chocolate. I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the eyelid.
I'm using this Lakme Absolute palette and I'm going in with a very nudish pink eyeshadow because you're going in for a very subtle look. Ancient Egyptians used eyeliner not just for looks but to protect their eyes from sun and infections. I knew eyeliner was multitasking.
That's interesting.
No wonder my mom always used to put kajal on my eye, like now I know why. So I'm using this eyeliner from Color Bar Infinite. This is a really good black eyeliner. It has a very good finish. You can see that. And to achieve this minimal graphic look, I'm using a liner from Maybelline, which is the white tattoo eyeliner. Okay, so I'm putting this white eyeliner on top of the black one. Oh my god, look at this. This looks so pretty.
Well, I have my Maybelline Colossal eyeliner and I'm going to create a thin stroke. I think that's it. I've done a pretty good job. Next fact is mascara.
Mascara was the first makeup to be made waterproof so it won't smudge.
Now this is an invention I like.
I don't know how many women have cried for this invention.
Works well for a crybaby like me.
I'm using this mascara from Faces Canada. And I think it instantly made my eyes look so much bigger.
Next is everybody's favorite step, that is blush. Cleopatra started the trend of pinching her cheeks to make them red. It was a sign of good health and beauty. I've never tried this.
My grandma always used to tell me jokingly to pinch my cheeks really hard so I can get the flush of the blush.
Who have I seen doing it?
I love to blend my blush with my fingertips more than the brush. I find this very easier than I do it with my fingers.
As of now, I think I'm okay with my Bobbi Brown blush.
Moving on to the next fact, lipstick.
Under the Roman Empire, lipstick was worn by men and women and was used to determine social class and gender.
That's quite interesting.
People were so cool back then.
Ooh, I like it. That's so interesting.
So I'm using this lipstick from Lakme 9 to 5 in the shade Mocha. So I'm just going to lightly dab this lipstick and topping it off with Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Oh my god.
I'm gonna use my favorite lipstick from L'Oreal in the shade Major Crush. I'm just loving this ombre effect.
Okay, so the last fact, setting spray. Before setting sprays, ancient Greek women used honey and beeswax to keep their makeup in place, though it sometimes attracted bugs.
It sounds so sticky itself.
Beeswax on my oily face? No way.
So I have a better option. I'll be using Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray because no wax is going on this pretty face. So I added a few finishing touches on my face and this is the finished look and I absolutely love it.
So this is my final look and I'm very happy with how it turned out.
So this is my final look.
I had a lot of fun creating this makeup look.
And if you also enjoyed, don't forget to
Like, share and subscribe to SSB. See you next time.